Good night, Joy. Night, Callie. Arf, arf, arf. Hey, where's the lantern? Found it. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section down below. And just so you all know, I will be entering this for Best Summer Movie in Sophie Awards of 2018. If you want to go ahead and check that out, see what nominees they have. They have a bunch of different categories. If you want to summon someone, then you have till Tuesday at 6:30. And then, yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!